The bull run looks to be mimicking the double peak of 2013-2014. This has stunted the price movement that many in the cryptoverse were expecting, including myself. Yes, it's disappointing we won't make the sky-high numbers everyone in crypto wanted to see this year. But don't get down in the dumps. We're still making crypto-level gains. I'll show you just how much could be on the horizon for your favorite project. Let's get it. Welcome to BitBoy Crypto, home of the Bitsquad, the largest and greatest crypto community in all the interwebs. My name is Ben. Every day on this channel, I show you how to make money in crypto. If you like money and crypto, then make sure to hit that subscribe button. In this video, I update my price predictions for the top 7 coins in my portfolio and break down their potential for the rest of this bull market. Before we really dig into it though, don't forget to enter our 5 ETH to 5 million giveaway. We're growing the Bitsquad community and want to reach 5 million total followers by the end of summer. Click the gleam.io link in the description to enter to win 5 Ethereum or a ton of other great crypto prizes. Cardano's in the pipe, 5x5. We give you weekly updates. What's happening with Cardano? And that's for a reason. It's going to be the next big mover in crypto, no doubt. I believe in Cardano so much that I bought $1 million worth of it. It's my best performing asset by a long shot in my portfolio. While I've made a huge amount of money in ADA, it's still got a lot of room to grow. Finishing touches on the Goguen era on Cardano's roadmap mean that smart contracts will be live on Cardano by the end of summer. That alone is enough to keep me bullish on ADA. So bullish that I predict that ADA will hit $8 by the end of this cycle. Cardano is one of my few long-term holds now. I believe in it so much that I'm running a Cardano staking pool, the Bit Pool, to keep the community and the governance healthy. We already have over 3 million ADA staked on the Bit Pool, and that's not even counting what I put in. If you want to stake on the Bit Pool, click on the link in the description. Binance Coin is the dark horse of this group. Rarely makes headlines. It gets scorned from all the meme coins that have flooded its platform. It's on 2 chains, ERC20 and Binance's own BEP2 network. This makes it annoying to buy and put in MetaMask. Just ask anyone who uses PancakeSwap. It's also kind of centralized. Gross. But while BNB is facing all sorts of crosswinds, soldiers on. Binance ecosystem is growing steadily. This is angering the digital currency group. That makes the BitBoy happy. I'm updating my price prediction for BNB for this cycle with a peak of $1,500. Take a quick minute and smash that like and subscribe button for us. It really helps out the channel and keeps you in the loop on the latest in the cryptoverse. Chainlink is next, and this one is a long-term hold that's going to do well even in the face of all this manipulation. The Link token has so much potential, all the right tech, a staggering amount of quality partnerships, and a solid community of Link Marines that I hate to damper my previous price predictions. I'm a big fan of Chainlink, and I think it's going to be around for years and years to come. But for now, I'm seeing Chainlink coming in around $150 for this run. That would mean a market cap of around $66 billion, which would put it firmly back in the top 10. VeChain's another coin whose upside got nerfed due to the manipulation we saw in this cycle. I was hoping to see VET break $1, but I think a more conservative, but still very profitable 75 cents for this cycle is still in play. Don't forget that VeChain is a Chinese-based crypto that's focused on shipping logistics, among other things. The government of China is so impressed by VET that it's given them a pass to keep developing, even though the government is shutting down most other cryptos in China. VET is less than a dime right now, so that's over a 7x return if you bought it today. If you were able to get VET back when it was less than a nickel back in January, you're sitting pretty. Polkadot has kind of been that awkward rich guy at the party who's sipping his drink in the kitchen, waiting to corner someone and talk about crypto as they try to get more 7-layer bean dip. There's no denying that Polkadot has a lot of money behind it and some seriously smart leadership. Polkadot was started by Ethereum co-founder Gavin Wood and Silicon Valley bros Robert Habermeer and Peter Zabin. But development on Polkadot has been kind of quiet lately, and there haven't been many, if any, major announcements from the project in quite a while. But the price potential for DOT is strong, and for evidence of that, look no further than its sister chain, testnet, Kusama. The KSM token has seen pumps all throughout this bull run, and even during the mid-market crash, it's still up well over 150% for the year. Compare that to Polkadot. DOT hasn't had a comparable run-up yet, and it's crashed harder than Kusama. If you bought DOT in January, you're only up 40% or so. Those are lame crypto gains. But I think that means DOT hasn't seen its day yet, and it really hasn't. Polkadot mainnet isn't fully launched, so its potential price action is, in my opinion, still a coiled spring waiting to bounce up. For 2021, I can see Polkadot hitting $150 at its peak. XRP is going to be one of the best gainers for 2021. Once all the legal FUD clears out, XRP is going to rip. Sitting at less than 80 cents as of the recording of this video, it's definitely still a steal. Buying XRP because I see its upside. There's so much behind the scenes happening with XRP and its integration with the digital currency group. Its cousin, Flare Network, is bringing DeFi to XRP in the form of wrapped assets like Litecoin and Stellar called F assets. XRP is going to quickly become the preferred crypto for interbank transfers and settlements. So much momentum, I can see XRP easily breaking $15, peaking out around $22. So if you've been able to scoop up some XRP, you will not be disappointed if you hold. None of this, of course, is financial advice. I'm just watching what the whales are doing. Call me a whale watcher. Ethereum was going to hit the stratosphere this year, and I wasn't the only one preaching that message. What no one could predict, though, is how fast and violently the manipulators would attack the market, turn their attention to accumulating Ethereum before it went to proof of stake. The smart money knows ETH is going to have a dynamic future. So even though the big money flexed on the bull run, there's still plenty of room for Ethereum to make new all-time highs. Just the other day, Ethereum broke its 50-day moving average, which it has struggled to break for the last few months. That's a bullish sign for sure. I predict Ethereum will still break $10,000 this cycle, setting it up for a truly historic run in the next bull run. But for me, that's all I got. Be blessed. BitBoy out.
Bitswap is the hottest new way to trade tokens. Crawling all the top decentralized exchanges, Bitswap will get you the very best price and value for your trades. Bitswap is changing the game. Try it now at bitswapdex.com.